So we're now at war with Iran, which is certain to produce global economic shocks. Here's what you can expect. We will likely see these 6 economic outcomes. First, energy prices will spike because 20% of the world's oil travels through the Strait of Hormuz. And with the threats of closure, this means the oil supply will be significantly constrained. Second, due to the turmoil on certain trade routes, we will see a higher cost of trade, shipping, and cost of insuring those loads. So these first 2 outcomes will lead to inflationary pressures, which will raise the cost of living. So with higher inflation, the third outcome will be Fed rate cuts will be put on hold. The fourth outcome will be increased deficit spending and increased debt for the US. The fifth outcome will be slower economic output as investment stalls due to the uncertainty. And the sixth and biggest wildcard will be financial market volatility. Because the uncertainty will likely spook equity markets, so the stock market will likely crash, and it could lead to a spike in bond yields. And if that happens, we could see a liquidity crisis. And my 2 cents is this war with Iran could be the catalyst that brings the entire U.S. economy down.